Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another helpful video tutorial.
Everybody get your fucking hands up.
In this tutorial, I will show how can we hide number or data in Excel file. So, let's start. You can see, I hide some data beside account number. Delete, and try to type below formula to hide your Excel data. Follow below step correctly. Remember, star meaning how much data you want to hide. After closing bracket, press enter. And you can see your data hide in Excel. Turn below and find same result for all data. Let's try for hide, for number, and if you face any problem, then type me in comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.